Well, I guess I got to stay off the Lowe's website. They got too many good sales going on. I've been wanting a jigsaw for the shop. I have a corded model right now, and it's an old cheap one. So I decided to go ahead and buy a new battery operated jigsaw, DeWALT. It's it's a XR 20 volt max brushless variable speed keyless jigsaw. It's the bare tool, but it's, from everything I've read, it's really a great tool. They had it on sale for $169. I ordered it. I went to the store today to pick it up, and they charged me $152.10. It's just a great saw for that price. I mean, even without a battery. So let's take it apart and see what it is. Okay, let's take it out of the box and see what we got. We got the jigsaw, we got a saw blade and a pointer, and a instruction manual. I put a blade in it. I'll show you about that. The saw is a brushless motor. It's a DCS334 20 volt max. It has 4 different settings for the blade. The first setting is for cutting straight. That's what gives you the best cut. And then it has 3 different elliptical settings, so that it, on the highest elliptical, makes the blade go up and down in an orbital setting, which makes it fast cutting. It's got a lock. It's got a thumb speed switch on it. I don't know if you can see it, that you can rotate with your thumb. The trigger it's a variable speed trigger. If you got it set on 7, you can make it go from 0 to as fast as it'll go. But as you turn it down, the trigger's still variable, but it will set the top speed at what you have the thumb switch set at. It has a really nice bottom guard on it that stops it from marring up any surfaces, but it still comes off really simple, and it also goes on very simple. I found that using this edge on a straight cut doesn't work real well. So on a straight cut, when I'm following a straight edge, I take this off. It's again 20 volt XR brushless motor. Right now I only have I have one 2 amp battery, and I have 2 1.3 amp batteries. I've cut with it. It's smooth. It's really a nice saw. It's very smooth. You can also change the angles by this switch, this lever. You pull back and set it at 45, 30, It's got D-dents for the different angles. It's also got an indicator here that makes it stay straight. To change the blade, nicest blade changer I think of any of them. Flip the lever and it's done. Just that fast. Great saw for the money. Glad I bought it. It'll be a really nice addition to the shop. Okay, let's see how good it cuts. I'm going to try to cut a straight line in a 2x4. Oh my, is that nice. That is smooth. Okay, that one I cut at the most aggressive cut I can do. You can see it leaves a rough edge. Real rough. Now I'll try it with just in the smooth mode. Okay, not as fast, but boy, it makes a nice edge. I'll try it without the cover on it and see if I can get a straighter line. Yeah, the cut's very nice. Totally impressed with the saw. Okay, I just did some cuts with my new saw, the DCS334. It's a 20 volt XR Max. What a saw. I mean, it is smooth and it will cut fast. I was cutting 2x4s like butter. I highly recommend the saw, especially when you can get the deal on it that they're offering online. It's one of my good purchases. I'm really happy with it. So thanks for watching the channel. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe if you thought it was any good. Thank you. Have a great day. Don't forget to watch Super Bowl.